Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix something went wrong. Tap to retry on YouTube. So guys, if you are facing this problem on YouTube and you are unable to play a video on YouTube, here I will show you how can you easily fix this problem. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and from here open up your control center, and from here make it sure that your internet connection is properly working. So guys, if your internet connection is properly working but still you are facing this problem, then change your internet connection. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, then try your mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then try your Wi-Fi and check if the problem has been fixed or not. So if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to disconnect the connected VPN in your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN in your device, simply disconnect it. So for that, open up settings on your device, and from here check if there is any connected VPN in this device. So if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you will have to reset your network settings in your device. So for that, simply open settings and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So from here tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So I simply give here your passcode for your iPhone and simply reset network settings in your device. So after this, check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you will have to simply offload your YouTube app in your device, and then you will have to simply reinstall your app again. So for that, open setting again and tap on general section, and from here tap on iPhone storage, wait for some seconds, and from here tap on YouTube, and from here simply offload your YouTube app from here, and after this install the updated version of YouTube in your device. So as after this, check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then you will have to simply force restart your device. So for that, you will have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So once your device force restarts, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.